welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking in the Koda and I'm cooking a herb dough pizza with chorizo on top. So let's go make it. Right, I've made the pizza. He wants some pizza and he's not going to stop chirping until I get it. So, okay, hang on mate, I'm going to get it now. It's here. Where are you? There you are. Look, it's here. I got it. I'm going to throw it over to the chair. Can you find it? Nope. Oh, he's back. Did you not find the piece of pizza? No? You want more? Well, you're gonna have to wait till I've made it. It's here, waiting to go in. Okay. Pet wild robin. Right, it's on 3/4. Right, it's going in. Check it for movability. And in it goes. I try and do that to keep all my semolina or my sticky bits on the peel by doing short, sharp little movements like that. Got my coffee with me. It's getting colder now. I've never put toppings on my herb dough before. This is a first. I normally have it just with garlic and butter, so I thought I'd give it a try in the oven using like a normal pizza recipe on top of it and see how it goes. Just need a little bit. Then this is done. Done. try. Very nice. It's lovely herby dough. Nice in a pizza as well. I do really like it though, just with garlic and cheese. That's my favourite. But it's good to try it with pizza toppings. So keep safe everyone, take care. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.